Wow, guys, today we have a box to unbox.
Whoops, I accidentally showed some private information. Instead, look at this cute drawing I made. Wow!
And hola. There's also like another bunch of parts. Oh, crap. Oh, God. Okay, you know what? We got... That's it for the box. Basic, like, stickers and instructions we don't need to see. Rip cords that I got. Launchers. I like the clear Phoenix one, though, which looks just nice. Another bunch of stickers, even for Gravity Destroyer. That's nice. And like instructions for that, which if you're stupid, you need. Some tools in various colors if you would like. A Dragon Winder ripcord, which is wicked. Left spin launcher, which I'm gonna probably use. Another one, which I'm gonna use for something else. Energy rings. I got the purple Leon. This is gonna look good on a combo that I'm gonna think of doing. Here's a normal green Leon. I don't know if I want to use it. Here is my spare fusion wheels. I got a dark, which dark is shit. Rock, which is mid. Grand, which is bad. And Storm, which sucks. And also we got the best fusion wheel, Earth, which is kind of dirty in there, you see. But hey, whatever. Now is the track, which is... I have two 145s, if I'm correct. One is 125. One is from Midnight Bull, and I don't know what this one is, so I don't care. Oh, I got another rock as well. What a great. And is this 90? It's not an 85, because I know. Let's get into the other bays that are in there. Here's the wackiest one. No, this is a Phantom Rex. I thought this was a Phantom Orion, but this is Phantom Rex, made with like a bunch of spare parts. I am now very intrigued with this bay, because it comes with like a ton of parts that I actually wanted. Here is the swap face bolt, which works with the heavy metal face, which is really good if you have multiple metal heavy faces. The red version of Rex, which is really cool, which I'm probably going to use that. Hasbro Phantom, which is not that good, but it's cool to have at least. Here is Wing 145, if I'm correct, and Change flat or semi-flat. This is from Storm Aquario, which is really cool for a lot of reasons, which I will probably make a custom for it. Or is this thing oh wait, this thing is probably broken. I think it's broken. Or something like that. I'm gonna check out later. Let's get into the main bays. Here's a Gravity Destroyer Hasbro. Yeah, this is a Gravity Destroyer Hasbro, which looks kind of cool. Not gonna lie. And here is a Galaxy Pegasus, which is in pretty dang good condition, which the RF is still kind of new, so I can still like use this for funny battles. And this is also from the set, so which is pretty cool. Here's Poison Zarafa, another one in my collection. I already have, but it's cool to have multiple. And here is Cyclone Herculeo, which is pretty cool. Just a normal one, nothing special. I do have the dual pack version of this. And here is a Big Bang / Cosmic Pegasus, which it has the wrong track. It has like 100 or 105, but I have the track of this guy, so like, and it has a new RF, so not complaining. Then we get to the juicy ass stuff. Here is Lightning Drago, which is in a way newer, better condition than the one that I have, but you know, it's cool to have in the collection. And oh yeah, the special boy, Earth Eagle, 145 wide defense. Also the main reason why I got this, because this thing is goddamn rare nowadays. and that's rare. Okay, I hope these parts are correct on this guy, because then or else I'll be very, very sass. Oh, this is the correct words. This is a mint Galaxy Pegasus Wing 145 rubber flat. I'm gonna never battle this thing, and it's gonna sit in the case for like 1,000 years until it like suffocates. Yeah, that will be funny. Okay, another one. And here's a used Cyber Pegasus, which the tip is pretty much dead for it. It's been really worn. It's the stock. It has a metal face, obviously. But, you know, this is good for battle videos, I guess. And we got the final and the coolest one. You know, the the real Burn Fire Blaze, which is a really solid Beyblade, although this tip kind of damages stadiums, but whatever. Nobody cares. Nobody asks. Ratio plus don't care. And that's really it for the lot. So yeah, that is all what I got for this lot. Like, comment, and subscribe, or else I know where you live.